Hello kids, today we are going to learn about binary files. So first, file opening modes for binary files. RB means for reading binary file, RB plus for reading binary files and writing also, WB for writing only, and WB plus for writing and reading both. Similarly, AB for appending binary file and AB plus for appending and reading both in binary file. Such as read and write function in text file, we have dump and load functions in binary files. So dump function is used to store or write contents in the binary file, and load is used to read the contents from binary files. So first we will learn how we can write content inside the binary files. Actually, dump function and pick load function both are defined under pickle module. So first of all we have to import pickle module. Now we will open binary file into WB mode, that is write binary mode. This is the content which we want to store in binary file, and pickle.dump will write content inside the binary file. This is the syntax for writing. We have to write the text or data and then object of the file. Similarly, for reading, we will use load function, and in this way we can read contents. Import pickle, then WRB mode, that is reading binary mode, then pickle dot load, it will read the contents and then print data. This way we can print binary file data. Now here we will store data in the form of dictionary and then write this dictionary inside the binary file. So first of all we have imported pickle module, then defined dictionary, then open binary file in AB mode, append mode, and then we have written content using dump function. The syntax is data and then object. So in this way data in the form of dictionary can be written inside the binary file. Now in order to read that data which is in dictionary mode, we will open file in RB mode, that is read binary mode, and then we will use load function in order to read contents and then print data. Similarly, we can use list as data. So in place of dictionary we have used list, and in this way we have written list inside the